I want to do a very special experience for all of you called magical sleep. So let's do it. All right, get ready. If possible, use headsets so that you can hear me loud and clear. If not, it's okay. And sit in a very relaxed position. So I don't want you to sit straight or anything, so that it's almost like putting you to sleep. If you want to lie down, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, perfect. Are you ready? Awesome. Here we go. This is a magical sleep experience. You don't need to do anything in this. All you need to do is lie down, be ready to sleep, close your eyes, and just keep listening to me. Just keep listening to me. Here we go. If you're lying down, hands on your heart. Keep your eyes closed. And now take a deep breath and take one more deep breath. One more deep breath. Now repeat with me in your mind. Don't need to say it loudly. I am ready for a magical sleep. Not logical sleep, magical sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I will feel magically fresh, ready to create miracles. I refuse to sleep with stress. I accept to sleep with magic. When I go to sleep, the universe creates magic. If I sleep peacefully, I want you to visualize the number 10. Imagine you are in a beautiful lift going down. And as you're going down and down and down, any sound around you will make you more sleepy. 9. Visualize the number 9. Going down and down and down. Visualize the number 8. Going down and down and down. When you reach the number 1, you'll go deep in sleep, awakening all your powers to manifest all your goals. Keep going down as you visualize the number 7, going down and down and down. Visualizing the number 6, going down and down and down. When you reach the number 1, you'll be deep in sleep, ready to create magic. You're always motivated to take care of your health. You love exercising. You love eating healthy food. You've got magical emotions. You love feeling happy, laughing, living life fully. As you're going down in this lift, you're reaching the number 4. You're creating magic in your life just because you're sleeping peacefully. Attracting more love in your life, attracting more support in your life, with amazing relationship with yourself. You've got amazing relationships with everybody in your family. You attract people who love you, support you. All this magic is happening while you're sleeping. And as you're going down, you're going to number 3. Visualize the number 3 and go to sleep. And when you reach the number 1, you'll go deeper than ever before, creating more magic in your life just because you're sleeping peacefully. In your career, you love doing what you do. You're taking unlimited action. You're amazing at what you do. You experience immense job satisfaction every day. You're the best at what you do. You're adding 10 times value in every area of your career. You've become the most successful personality in your life. You're creating all this magic while you sleep peacefully. As you're going down in this lift, visualize the number 2. Going down and down and down. With the last number, you'll go deeper than ever before, creating more magic than ever before. Financially, you're a magnet for money. You attract money effortlessly and happily because you have a beautiful relationship with money. You love making money. You love working hard to make money. You respect money. You're rich. You're abundant. You're generous. You have more luxury than you had ever asked for. You're truly living life platinum standards. And as you're going down to the number 1, go to sleep deeper than ever before, more relaxed than ever before, creating more magic than ever before, just because you're sleeping peacefully. The more you sleep peacefully, the more magic you create. You're already taken care of. You're always connected to the universe. The universe loves you. You are a magician. Now go to sleep, knowing the more you sleep, the more magic you create. Go to sleep. Slowly open your eyes. And if you wish to be awake, rub your hands together, put that energy on your face. If you wish to go back to sleep, don't do that. Simply switch off the meeting, end the meeting, and go to sleep. Do you want to have more experiences in detail? Are you someone like me who loves to go in depth of something? No problem. In the description below in this video, I've given you a link. Click on that link, register there. There's a free Ho'oponopono lesson that I'm doing for full 90 minutes where I give people something I call as tears of joy experience. Where in the session itself, you'll release all your negative emotions that you've got accumulated unconsciously, subconsciously. We've got so many negative emotions within us. Let's release all of that. And tell me in the comment section how was today's video. I would love to read more about your comments. See you soon in the next video.